Hello everyone who are watching this video. This video is mainly for the students of class 11 and whose subject is bio. So this video is related to bio only. So there is a question: what keeps us alive? So the answer is our environment, all the natural things. In fact, we are also part of nature. So to be alive, we need certain things, and definitely these things we get from our nature only. Food is the most important thing which we get from our nature, from plants, from animals. And food plays an important role in keeping us healthy, energetic, and physically strong. Food is a substance which we consume, and the food gives us nutrients. Nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage, etc. These are the seven components of food, and these seven components are very important. They all are essential for our body. Food can be of three types. We can categorize them: food which gives us energy, food which protects us from various deficiency diseases, and the food which helps us to grow. Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and the protecting food. So in this video, in this session, I will be talking about the energy giving food, because for our survival, energy is needed. Without energy, we cannot survive. We cannot perform even simple tasks. We cannot do any work. Any kind of work needs energy. Without energy, we cannot perform any work. It's not only us. In fact, the cells in our body, in plants, in animals, they also need energy to perform various functions because cell itself is a living structure, living structural unit. A cell can take care of itself. So various functions which are performed by our cell require energy. Again, I have a question for you all. Think about this, and if you know the answer, comment in the comment box. From where the cells of our body get energy? What process is involved in making energy within the cell? I hope your answer will be the food. Food is the source of energy. That's right. But how the food gets converted into energy? There is a chapter, respiration. This is the process by which our cells produce energy. In simple words, respiration is the energy giving process. It is a biochemical process that gives us energy, that gives our cells energy to perform various functions, various tasks. So, energy is produced within our cell by a biochemical process called respiration. It's not only a chemical process. I have used biochemical process because it happens inside a living organism, inside a living cell. There is no doubt about this that this is a chemical process, but as it is happening in a living organism, in a living cell, I have used this word biochemical process. So here, respiration gives energy by breaking down of glucose molecule because glucose is one of the major respiratory substrate which gives energy. It is a monosaccharide, the simplest form of carbohydrate. So what happens? The food, energy giving food like the food having carbohydrate, When the food gets digested, carbohydrate breaks into the simplest form, glucose. With the help of blood, the glucose then enters into the cell. And I'm telling you one more interesting fact: insulin is the only hormone that allows glucose to enter inside the cell so that the glucose can be used by the cell to produce energy. If there will be lack of insulin, then the glucose will remain in the blood, and this will cause hyperglycemia. It means more concentration of glucose will be found in the blood. So, insulin welcomes the glucose molecule and allows them to enter into the cell. As the glucose enters into the cell, glucose gets oxidized, burns in the presence of oxygen. And when glucose burns in the presence of oxygen, the process is called oxidation, produces carbon dioxide, some water molecules, and large number of ATP molecules. And this ATP molecule is the energy currency. So whenever cells need energy, they use these ATP molecules. So this is how our cells produce energy with the help of a biochemical process called respiration. So there is lot of, you know, there is lot of things to discuss about this topic respiration, but in this small video I cannot cover. If you want to know more about this process, do comment in the comment box. And if you liked this video, subscribe my channel and share this with your friends. My name is Prashant Kumar Singh, and I will be helping you in understanding the topics related to biology. I will be waiting for your comment, and I'll make the another video related to this topic. Till then, take care and study well. Thank you.